In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click the settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the quick settings panel, click See All Settings, stay on the General tab, and scroll down until you find the signature section. Click the plus, create new button. A pop-up box will appear asking you to name your signature. Type a name for your signature and click Create. On the right side, type your name, job title, contact information, or any details you want to include in your signature. Use the formatting toolbar above the text box to adjust the font style, size, color, alignment, or to add links. If you want to include a photo or logo, click the Insert Image icon. You can paste an image URL, choose an image from Google Drive, or click Upload on the left sidebar to upload an image directly from your computer. Next, scroll down to the Signature Defaults section. Under the For new emails, use drop-down menu. Select the name of the signature you just created. If you want your signature to appear clearly in reply emails, check the box for Insert Signature before quoted text in replies. After finishing your setup, scroll to the very bottom of the page and click Save Changes. To verify that everything is working, click the Compose button in the top left corner. A new message window will open and you should see your signature automatically inserted at the bottom. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations!